Today I'm doing a brief video on how I bring out the detail in the crinoid slabs of Charmouth. A crinoid is a marine animal belonging to the echinoderm group, related to starfish and sea urchins. They typically have a stalk that anchors them to the seabed and feathery arms used to filter food particles from the water. Most of the work here is done using soft iron abrasive. I set the pressure low to remove the fine clay and debris from the rocks without destroying the detail. When you find crinoid slabs, many can be really worn where the sea has destroyed most of the detail, but if you can find them freshly exposed, the detail is there, just hidden in dirt. Sometimes there is a small amount of pen work to be done. I am using a modified Chicago pen with a pointed tip. Since these specimens are not of museum importance and being sold commercially, I use a clear artist's varnish that brings out the details more. I would never use varnish on important finds. For any important specimens, you should always use paraloid B72, which is reversible and archivable, but varnish is okay for some of the common fossils found. As you can see, these slabs have come out really well. So much delicate detail has now been revealed, and they look stunning.